They're also putting water on it from fire trucks down there, but this is a spot that they are focusing on right now. One after another, choppers swoop in. They sound an alarm to let anyone on the ground know water is coming. You can hear the sound, kind of a siren going. That's the warning that they're about to drop water. This is probably the fifth or sixth water drop we have seen just over the last 10 minutes, I'd say. They're devoting a lot of resources trying to nip this in the bud.